I didn't see you there. Welcome. Heard you were craving some old fashions. Well, you came to the perfect place. We got a handy little kit here, and I'm gonna walk you right through it. All right, so this is the kit. You get your option between two different spirits. We have our Altos Reposado Tequila, and we also have the Buffalo Trace Kentucky Whiskey. The kit's also gonna come with our Angostura bitters, some Odd Duck simple syrup, it's the special stuff, an orange, and some of those mighty fine Luxardo cherries. All right, let's get going, y'all. We're gonna get a pint glass, fill her up with some ice, kind of get the dilution process started right away. If you would like a little bit of a thicker old fashioned, maybe do this after you build your cocktail. So we're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters to get started. And then we're also gonna do 1/2 ounce of our Odd simple syrup. If you don't have a jigger at home, that's fine. 1/2 ounce is equivalent to a tablespoon. So you can just use some of those kitchen tools, utilize those for the inner bartender in you. And then lastly, you're gonna go with your tequila or your whiskey. I love tequila, so we're gonna go with some tequila, a little bit of Altos. This is gonna take 2 ounces. Right on in there. We're just gonna go ahead and give her a little stir now. I kinda like to keep going until I see a nice little bit of frostiness forming. You could use the back of your hand, kinda, you know, see if it's to your temperature needs. All right, now we're gonna pop in a nice cube of ice. Got our fancy ice here. All right, now it's time to garnish her. We're gonna use an orange. You can take any peeler, potato peeler works fine. The swath is a big part of the old fashioned. It adds a lot to it, so don't skip this step. I like to do a nice generous peel, and then you're gonna expel. Make sure you add all those oils. Adds a lot of nice aromatics. I like to rub the peel on the mouth of the glass and give her a nice little fancy twist. We're gonna garnish it lastly with our Luxardo cherry. Voila, you got yourself an odd fashioned in the comfort of your home.